Here's to all my resort hoppers and rope droppers. Today we're taking you inside a full room tour to show you everything you can expect to find in one of the How to Train Your Dragon suites. If you want to know more about this killer hotel, you can check out the link in the description where we show you everything this hotel has to offer. Now come check out this amazing room with us.
There are timestamps down below. Feel free to skip around, and also
make sure to check out our Instagram. The link's in the bio for some behind the scenes content and to stay connected with us and see what we're up to while we're off of YouTube. Okay, these rooms are crazy. Each room has its own little tablet. If you've been to Aventura Hotel, very similar to that, but there's just one for the whole room. This one has literally 3. It's because we're in the suite. A typical room would probably just have one. So we have one in here, one in the little living room area, and then one in the kids' room that controls like the lights, the TV, all that kind of stuff. So whenever there's a TV, there's one of these on your bedside table. You actually have 4 plugs on each one, and 4 USB and then 2 USB-C on each side. 6 in total, plus like 8 plugs. Got your little lampies. I'm assuming this will be the same, like this portion of the room would be what a typical room would look like, whether you have a king bed or 2 queen beds. It will be like this, because I've seen the pictures with like this wall. So this is kind of what a typical room would look like that's not a suite. Here it does have a like closet door with the extra like blankets and towels, blankets and pillows up there. Little dresser. Oh, and things already. Pull outs. I really didn't even look much. Yeah. So we have the other tablet over there. I turned that TV off because it was loud. This room is so cool. I'm gonna turn the TV off for a second.
Yeah, the door.
The door is really cool. Has a little
Amazing.
little knocker. When we were checking in, like Owen didn't know like anything about the room. He was like talking about that he loves How to Train Your Dragon, and she said there might be Toothless in your room. And then he walked in and you saw his reaction.
Yeah.
Like, look at this. They're little like bed thingies, little boats.
Yeah.
Like, look at that. That's so cool. It's a lantern, another
Yeah,
little tablet.
it's amazing.
This looks like it probably opens. It does. It's got drawers inside of it, so plenty of space
nice.
to put all the kids' clothes.
Yeah, I mean,
Only the one
so
table in
cute.
here, but it's really cute.
Yeah.
Really, really cute.
and
And
talk about
then,
the jet
like,
out.
We're like, if you think about the hotel, you know how it's kind of shaped like this, like the elevators are in the middle. So we're kind of literally right here, right beside the elevator. So it's a curve. And that's why the room is kind of like this, because we're literally on the curve of where it is. So that's why it's like an interesting shape, but it still has a couch, a chair, another TV, plenty of space here with this adjoining room. We're like got all of our stuff parked, our stroller and everything.
Yeah, it's a good place for like something you just want out of the way.
Yeah, plenty of space. Literally, we just walked in, obviously. Here's our bags, but you have your little coffee bar right here. So it does have like the little K-cup coffee pot. This is really nice. A microwave. That's cool.
That's
Didn't even think about that.
Mm-mm.
Some shelves, like if you were bringing some food, which we
we
if you've
absolutely
seen our
do.
videos, we always bring food because Owen doesn't eat anything. I wonder if this is
See
like
the
a
fridge?
fridge. It feels very cold, so it feels like a fridge. It says
Says
39, so it's actually a fridge. So
Wonderful.
that's nice.
Yeah. Sometimes
know.
those are just coolers and
Right. This is like a patinaed mirror almost, but
yeah.
nice to see like a
Love it.
full
I love
body outfit pic. Very
Yeah.
cute. Yeah, you can kind of see it right here.
Yeah, where it puts out.
Yeah, how it's like curved.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why like the room is shaped in like that interesting
Yep.
shape. The bathroom. The bathroom's beautiful.
Yes.
2 sinks. got some drawers. There's your hair dryer if you need it. Let's see, it just looks like 2 drawers on each side. It doesn't look like, none of that opens up. So it's literally just the 2 drawers on both sides. You have your little makeup mirror. These are really pretty. You got your little, you know, forget what those are called at this moment, but your little jar of things. I love all the gold. Reminds me of like really pretty shower.
Yeah,
I
mentioned the tile.
It's kind of like the color I was wanting to do, like above our.
Yeah, at our house. Yeah.
Above our sink in the bathroom.
Yep.
Very nice. And
Lots
so
of space.
this one actually has a door right here.
Yep,
So
pocket door.
Pocket door,
And
so
a
you
door
can
for
close
here.
that off, and another door right here, so you're not bothering anybody in the other rooms, even though all of these rooms have doors. But I'm assuming, I bet that couch probably pulls out.
Yeah.
Probably. Yeah, it
Yes,
does.
It does.
Yeah, so you can also have someone sleep out here. There's not really any room for
So this will sleep
clothes
6.
or anything like that, but yeah, it was definitely sleep 6. I don't really know what's going on with the floor.
Yeah, this little like.
It's already got a good bit of wear and tear, and it's only been open for a
This is
year.
where the
The vac. Oh yeah, it's interesting.
where-
Like, what is that? Like,
Yeah.
Sure, it's something structural.
Yeah, oh, I'm sure. Well, hey, if that's our only con, it's gonna be a wonderful stay.
Yeah, it's a beautiful room. Show me. Show me. What? Duh. Who's in your room?
Whoa.
That's your room. Whoa, buddy. Is that Toothless? She said Toothless was in your room.
And look.
That's a girl dragon. Look at these boat beds.
Oh, and their baby dragons are back there on the other side.
And that one over there.
Dude,
And
this
that
is
one over there.
wow.
What the heck?
It's got one of these too.
Yeah, I know there was one in the main room, but like,
Wow.
this is like the even bigger one that has like the couch. It has a couch. Have you been in here yet?
No. Are you kidding me right now?
I can see Minecart Rally. I can see Super Nintendo World. I can see Stardust Racers. I can see Dragon Racers Rally. Yeah, Minecart Madness, Dragon Racers Rally. Hiccups Wing Gliders. Going right there. Oh my gosh, like Stardust Racers going. Look at that. Look at the yellow roller coaster going, bud.
It's going up and down like a slinky dog.
Happy birthday, buddy.
Happy,
Look at the
happy birthday, buddy.
the
Happy
Nintendo Land.
anniversary, Mom and Dad. Happy everything.
Happy
Yeah, buddy.
year in Florida.
What's that there?
Which one?
The one
That one with the pointy top? That is a carousel.
No. That. The thing with
Oh,
that
way back
castle.
there, the thing with the castle. That's just a hotel. That's another hotel. Man, dude.
I know, Rick.
You knew it. Look at that dragon. That's cool.
I know. Let's keep looking around.
I
Wow. All right.
am bewildered. Haven't even seen a bathroom. Don't even know where a bathroom is yet, but
It's right here, and it's very nice.
Mom.
it's huge.
Yeah. Double sinks.
Mm.
Look at that tile. That's really nice.
Got the bath.
You could take a bath, bud.
For you, Mom.
Nicest room we've ever been in.
Yes.
Hey, Zach, come here. Come here. Just literally push the button.
Wow.
Wow. What the what? Can we stay here one more night? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on any of our adventures. Bye everyone. See you real soon.